In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Fiverr app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right Fiverr app on your Android smartphone, go ahead and look for Play Store app from your apps on Android smartphone. If you tap on Play Store, you should see a search bar on top here, but first make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. If you can see this search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead and tap on it to activate search. Then just search for your app by name like that. That's the correct spelling of Fiverr. It has double R. And now go ahead and tap on search. If you tap on search, you can see we have the Fiverr app here. To make sure that you have the right Fiverr freelance service app, make sure it is from Fiverr. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 350,000 reviews. And currently, the app has been downloaded over 10 million times, and the average size of this app is 27 MBs. If you see all these details, then you'll know that you have the right Fiverr freelance service app. To install it, go ahead and tap on install. And this will download the latest version of Fiverr freelance app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open from here. Or if you go to your apps, you should be able to find it and open it. Then go ahead and log in or create an account to start browsing. You can also browse through this app without even logging into your account. So that's how you can install the right Fiverr app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.